We will need a reasonable amount of ingredients, the main one being ketchup mayonnaise / sweet soy sauce and some shrimp paste, both of which you should be able to find in your local Asian supermarket. Protein, we went for chicken breast, some rice from the day before, crunchy veggies such as cabbage and carrots, and 2 fresh eggs. Lastly, a few tablespoons of sambal oleg, a chili paste which we will create here in a second. Let's start by marinating our chopped chicken with a tablespoon of ketchup mayonnaise. If you can't find ketchup mayonnaise, you can create it yourself by boiling soy sauce with some brown sugar. Next up, our sambal oleg paste, which we will create ourselves by processing a medium-sized red onion, 3 garlic cloves, and as many red chilies as you wish. Since it was our first time, we didn't dare putting more than a medium spicy chili in there. Add the shrimp paste and let your food processor do the work. We don't have an electric one, so we had to help ours with some manual labor. If it's too dry and your processor has some difficulties creating the paste, add a small tomato in there. You want to end up with something like this. Great. Before we move over to the stove, let's prepare our decorative side veggies. Scallions, tomatoes and cucumbers go very well in Nasi Goreng. Especially cucumbers help to neutralize the heat when needed, so don't leave them out. When done, grab your sambal and rice and move over to the stove. Definitely use a wok if you have one, otherwise a big pan will do. Sprinkle 1 to 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil in there and saute as much sambal oleg as you dare having in your Nasi Goreng over medium-low for 5 minutes. This makes sure that the onions cook and all the flavors unite gently into a nice oily paste. Now it's time to increase the heat to high and add the marinated chicken. Fry it together for a few minutes till the chicken is almost done. If you chop them in small bite-sized pieces, 3 to 4 minutes should be enough. Make sure to mix occasionally. Add the cooked rice and sprinkle the remaining ketchup mayonnaise over it. Fry everything together for a few minutes till the rice is fully coated by the sauce. Make sure to gently fold it with your silicone spatula or spoon and try to not break the rice. We used XL sized basmati rice and it was just perfect for this dish. Lastly, mix in the veggies and fry for another minute before setting aside and preparing the most important topping of Nasi Goreng.
Yummy yummy.
A sunny side up fried egg. Our recipe yields 2 well-sized portions and serving them requires some flippy flip skills, which I'm sure you acquired while building sandcastles in your childhood. Serve with cucumber and tomatoes and make sure that your Nasi Goreng wears its egg hat. Add a few scallions on top and look at this! One of Indonesia's national dishes prepared in your very own kitchen. Hit that like button if you enjoyed this video. And now, selamat makan!
Oh, nice. Oh, now spicy, yes. Spicy, sweet.